Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So you can tell by the pile of boxes back here, today we're going to be doing a pretty nice PR unboxing, and this is basically where I show you guys what's new in makeup, what I got in the mail over the past couple of weeks as a micro-influencer or a smaller beauty influencer. I think it's really fun to watch someone who's like a smaller influencer and see what they got in the mail, because a lot of times I get like really cool different new things that you may not have seen before, some new brands. So I'm excited to dive into these packages with you guys. I also have a bunch over here as well. I couldn't fit them all in the background. So if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me. I do tons of fun content on here, like affordable beauty, Dollar Tree hauls, TJ Maxx, makeup shop with me's, so you do not want to miss out. So hit that little bell so you'll get notified on your email and your phone when I upload, because I upload tons of content. So without further ado, let's get into my What's New in Beauty PR haul. And I always just kind of like to start off these videos by saying that I am so beyond grateful for the PR that I receive and to the brands who send me products. It truly means so much to me, and I feel very, very grateful that I am able to receive these products. And thank you so much to you guys for your support on my channel, because without your love, I would not be able to receive these amazing products and share them with you guys. And let's dive into this first package. This was like something that I literally did not even know was coming. It is a brand that's new to me called Nuzzolo. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it is a skincare brand. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I get a lot of skincare PR. I think I actually get more skincare PR than makeup, to be quite honest with you guys. There's just tons of skincare brands and a lot of new ones that are coming out. So Nuzzolo says, welcome to Scandinavia, and it is basically like a CBD skincare brand, and everything is handcrafted in like small batches. So they have some cool stuff here, and you guys already know kind of my thoughts on CBD. Kind of like, I'm just very unsure about how much it helps my skin, but I'm always down to try a new brand. So this is the Cellular Repair Serum. It has 2,000 milligrams of CBD. Then we have a clear skin cream and then a night serum. And they also sent over 2 of their CBD lip balms. One is peppermint and one is pomegranate. I love me some lip balms. I like to have one all over. Next up, we have another brand that I always mention in my PR hauls because they send me a lot of stuff and I really like their products. I do use them quite often. It's called Replenix. Little pamphlet says, keep your skin moisturized this winter. Let's see what we have in here. It's like a little makeup bag. Their Age Restore Brightening Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ceramides. You guys already know my thing with niacinamide. It breaks me out, so I'll probably just end up putting this in a giveaway, but I really like this brand, Replenix. On the brand, in case you guys couldn't see it before. This next one doesn't have a brand name on the outside, so it's just gonna be a fun surprise. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, hold on, I'll show you guys what this is. This PR is really cool because it's actually from a Dollar Tree brand. You guys know I am a Dollar Tree influencer. I have a whole Instagram at Dollar Tree Dolly devoted to things I find at Dollar Tree and Target Dollar Spot and like Walmart and stuff like that. And a lot of Dollar Tree brands have been reaching out to me and wanting to send me product, which is so cool. So here is the brand. You guys may know this from shopping at Dollar Tree. It's Aroma Guru. I love their products. So they reached out to me on Instagram and asked me if I wanted to receive some of their products, and I said yes, absolutely, even though I already own quite a few of them. This is the Peppermint Roll-On, which I have talked about in videos before. I love this for just like a natural fragrance, and also I use this on my head when I have a headache. And it also says on here it's a natural vapor rub, awakens mood, helps ease headaches, helps improve focus, soothes tired feet, and also helps to heal itchy skin. So it has a lot of benefits to it, and it comes in a little roller ball, which is so handy dandy. They also sent me their natural bright skin serum with rose hip oil. So cool. Formulated by a certified aromatherapist. Her picture's on the back here too, which is cool. Her name is @mindfulmusky, and it says it's inspired by Ayurvedic traditions, and she created this skincare line for women who are looking for chemical-free products. So how awesome is that? So it has coconut oil, jojoba, rosehip, lang lang, carrot seed, turmeric, sandalwood, and geranium. So I know some people are sensitive to essential oils on their skin. Some people aren't, so kind of just, you know, proceed with caution. See how this is on my skin, because I think I bought this, but I don't remember if I actually used it. It's like somewhere in my bathroom, but there's that one. Okay, this is new. It's their warming oil in peppermint. So this is actually to be used not with a diffuser, but with a warmer, and I think they actually do sell those at Dollar Tree. I don't have one, but it says fill your home with natural aromas from essential oils, specially formulated for use in warming devices. So this is 100% peppermint oil, and it also has almond oil as like the carrier. Natural eyelash enhanced serum. I actually went through a whole bottle of this already. It's really good, and they even include a little applicator. So this has castor oil, which is known for making your lashes and brows grow, and rosemary essential oil. So I will definitely be using this again. I love lash growth products. And then this one, ooh, you guys, this is new. It's the Natural Lip Plumper Serum with cinnamon and peppermint. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this. So this also has cinnamon leaf, peppermint, and coconut oil, and it is in a little roller ball format. I haven't seen that at Dollar Tree yet. So cool. I can't wait to see if that works and if it actually like plumps up my lips. The last product from Aroma Guru is this Guru Nanda Peppermint Body and Room Spray. This is perfect. I will definitely keep this in the bathroom. It is pure peppermint, has pure peppermint and purified water. Let's see. I'll just see if I can spray some. So good. Oh, it's also a body mist. Okay. That's awesome. Mint scents. I wonder if they're gonna carry this at Dollar Tree. I haven't seen it there yet, but this is awesome. Thank you so much, Aroma Guru. It is so cool to receive like Dollar Tree PR. I never thought I would say that, but here we are. So we have Derma E, one of my favorite clean skincare brands. They've been sending over the cutest little kits. This is the Refine, Brighten, Hydrate, and Go kit. So you get a vitamin C serum, microdermabrasion scrub, and a hydrating day cream, and they're all in like mini form, and it comes in this really, really cute bag that you can reuse. So stinking cute. I love Derma E. I use their products all the time. They are sold at Ulta. I always see them at like the health food store too. I think they're also at Target. And they're just an awesome brand. I love the people who work for Derma E, and they have great products. So thank you so much. It is so cute. You guys, but I'm ready for some makeup. We opened a lot of skincare. So this next package is from Pixi. I feel like this might be skincare too though. Okay, I was right. It's Pixi's annual Glow Tonic package, which is always the Pixi Glow Tonic. It is iconic. Did it just rhyme? Send you a giant bottle of Glow Tonic with your name on it. What? It's so cute. And they also give you a pump. It's like the life-size version of Glow Tonic. So it's our signature original exfoliating toner infused with glycolic acid and botanicals that improve texture, hydration, and glow. Alright guys, next up we have a package from Benefit. Okay, I definitely think this one is gonna be makeup, so let's dig into it. Hit Merry Mixing. I'm a little behind. These are like holiday packages here. But let's see. It's all wrapped up. It says the more the merrier, 12 days of merry makeup. Okay, is this like a little advent? Oh my gosh, this would have been so cute to open, but I had no idea, honestly, because I save up all these packages. Oh, you guys, that is so cute. Should I just open it? Okay, let's just open it here. I didn't even know they had this. It's so cute. Okay, it's 12 days, so I'll just do it really quick. This is like an impromptu advent calendar opening. Day one is a roller lash eyeliner. I've actually never tried the roller lash eyeliner before. Okay, it's a felt tip. Oh my gosh, the paper is cute too. It says laughter is the best cosmetic. Day two is, ooh, it's a Precisely My Brow Mini in shade 3. I love the mini size on these. That is super cute. I love Precisely My Brow. This is day number 3. This is a mini of their Real. I actually really like the Benefit minis. Sometimes I actually like minis better than the full size. Okay, this is day 4. A cute little gift. I wonder if they sold this. I think they did. It says it's a $65 product with a $140 value. This is the Professional Mini. So cute. And then this is day 5. A mini roller lash. So cute. Okay, day 6. This is a nice little break from some skincare. A mini Gimme Brow in shade 3. The only thing is how they went about picking like the shades, because not everyone's gonna be shade 3. So I mean, there's that. But mini Gimme Brow. So cute. It is a little mini hula compact. That's absolutely precious. A mini of the Bad Gal Bang mascara. Then next we have, oh, a mini 24-hour brow setter. Love it. Maybe a blush. Oh, that's so cute. It's a mini of Dandelion, like a light pink shade. I do have the full size of this. It is second to last day, day 11. Oh, it is a mini Professional. It's actually the hydrating one. This is the final day in the Benefit Advent Calendar, day 12. Ooh, it's their Real, but the Magnet Mascara Mini. So cool. So I'll definitely be probably giving away a lot of these for you guys and just having them as like little add-ons in my giveaways. Like, what a fun little advent calendar. This next package, I think I actually know what this is. Okay, so this is the Rifa Clear. I thought it was something else, but it looks like a skincare. Brand has this like mister thing that kind of looks like a setting spray mister, but this one looks like a brush where you can change off the heads. It actually looks really cool. So I definitely have to try this out and see how it is. I always use a brush every single night. It's my Michael Todd brush. I have 2 that I alternate between, but this looks cool. This next package, it's a big one, but I just don't know what's inside. Oh my goodness. It is Buxom's 2021 holiday launch. How cute. I told you guys I'm a little behind on my holiday boxes, but this is so cute. This is their plumping lip gloss set in Crown Jewels. So we have one of my favorite shades, actually, White Russian Sparkle. I love Sugar, Eve, and Holly. White Russian Sparkle is one of my favorite nude shades. Okay, hopefully these are still available. This is the Buxom Loyal to the Lash full-size lash kit. 2 of those. And then this is the Lip Scrub and Balm set. It says it's $25, $36 value. They always kind of do sets like this. So one shade, this is Black Diamond and Dolly Fever. And then we have this Dolly Reign Supreme Plumping Lip Gloss and Lipstick set. So we have Dolly is the mini lipstick and Dolly Dreamer. Oh no, Dolly is the lip polish and Dolly Dreamer is the lipstick. And then I think this is the last set in here. This is Buxom the Queen's Vault. It says it's $40 and $80 value. So you get a full size of their Plump Shot, which I have tried before and I did like a little TikTok on it. It works really well. And then you get Samantha, Sandy, Dylan, Dolly, and Brandy in their lip collection. So I'll probably end up doing a giveaway with quite a few of those because I do feel like I have so many of the Buxom glosses, so I'd rather one of you guys get it. But this is such a cute collection. I like how they went with like this kind of royal theme for the holidays with the purple and the gold. Okay guys, we have one more package, and if you are here, again, I will say you are the real MVP because I know a lot of people click off like probably halfway through the video. The last package we have is from It Cosmetics, and it's really cute. It's kind of like a suitcase. IT was very, very extra with this box, but I will say on the back it says to recycle it, and it says that the entire box is made with recyclable materials, which I do think that is commendable. But for these 4 products, like what? Oh my gosh. So I'll show you guys. We have the Brow Powerful Universal Volumizing Eyebrow Pencil, the Brow Power Micro. I've actually never tried any of their brow products before. This is the Brow Power just like universal pencil, and it has biotin and antioxidants. And then we also have the Brow Power Filler Fiber Brow Gel. And this is just in the shade Universal Taupe. And then this is cute. It's a patch that says Browland, yes, you can sit with us. This reminds me of like True Beverly Hills, if you guys have ever seen that movie. It's like an oldie but a goodie. I hope you enjoyed opening up my packages with me. I do love PR unboxings and seeing what I got in the mail. Give this video a big thumbs up when you like the video. It helps out my channel a lot. I don't know why, but apparently it does. So thank you guys for all your support and your comments. I love chatting with you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!